kailangan nila yun. He was unable to deliver offensively. It's a 4-0 sweep ng Papunta over his team. Turnaround jumper, wala yan. And Rob Reyes, strong rebound, but he goes down hard as well. Holding on to his knee. And that's never good when we see that.
Never a good sign when you see a player holding on to his knee.
Nakita natin kanina si Jervy Cruz naman ingis-ingis sa sakit ng kanyang
at hindi natin nakikita si Jervy Cruz dun sa bench, ha? So Rob Reyes of that rebound.
Yan yung mga replay na yun, mga slow-mo na yan. Talagang apektado yung mga nanonood dito on the big screen as well as kami ni Dominic dito with our monitor right in front of us. When you see that the joints shake that way, go from one side to the other, at nakikita mo yung player yan dyan at hindi niya alam, hindi mo lang kung sasabihin niya dahil sa sakit na naranasan niya.
Alam mo, ang nangyayari kasi dito sa ating liga, no? There's a lot of physicality. So when you get a rebound, you get bumped sometimes upstairs. So yung bagsak mo may not be how you want it to be.
Yung balance mo nawawala na eh.
So that's why it's very important. All our players getting into tip-top shape, going to the gym and trying to make sure that they are in the best physical ability that they have or that they can be in.
Excitement. Nakapanghinayang sigurado para sa kanyang koponan because that was a powerful offensive rebound na ginawa ni Rob Reyes pero dire-diretso sa sahig ang nangyari. And so he goes out. So out si Jervy Cruz kanina. Out ngayon si Rob Reyes. So 1-all yung mga